Alright, so I got my Greens Master 1600 here. This is the one with the groomer. I'm gonna run a few passes around the trim, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of mowing here. I wasn't planning on mowing, but figure, heck, why not, you know? So this is gonna be the very first mow I've done this year. Today is April 17th. Turn the switch on, chokes on. This will be the first mow of 2021. I haven't done this at all this year. I did a couple of passes right here, just a few. I just wanted to see if it was ready, and it really kind of wasn't. So this here is going to be more of a charity mow than anything else. Not planning on cutting off a lot, but I am going to use the bagger. Hopefully that's not a bad decision with all the product that I put down on there. Cut off a little bit of the yellow and the brown stuff, so let's see how this goes. Flip up. The rock got in my reel. Bad rock. So I've definitely got some rocks and pebbles along the edge here. I have been through here several times looking for rocks with the blower, and sometimes there's just not a lot you can help with that. So I need to do a blow job on the front there. I've got more dirt on the flower beds, or come out of the flower beds, than I need or want. So I've got to get the blower out, run the blower across there to make sure we're good. I don't want extra dirt getting in my reel. We're not after dirt stripes here, folks. We want a good, solid, clean mow job. Over there, clean off the beds, get all the dirt, and then I can finish the mow. So you can see here, it snowed here a few days ago. It snowed about 4 inches. This was all pretty much gone. It snowed about 4 inches. And that day pretty much sucked. But we need the water here desperately, so when you can get snow around here, you'll take it. I just need to make it clear, this is early in the season for me. Mid-April, my season really doesn't start to get going until mid-May or June. The temperatures will not be fully warm and out of freezing at night until June. So this is still really early for me. So it's not gonna look fantastic. It's more just gonna be like a charity mow. Not gonna be cutting off a lot. Definitely is cutting off material. Not a lot, just cutting some off, and it feels good to be back in the saddle again. I'm just making my trim passes here. Cleaned up this section right here and then through here. And it looks good. I'm happy with that. It's short, it feels good, it looks good. I'm just gonna make a couple of passes around the outside exterior trim, and then we'll get out the big guy. So I've made about 2 passes all the way around. I see sticks and stones in here, which isn't good. So I've collected about half of a hopper or a basket full of clippings. This is the stuff that I'm happy to cut off. It's the dead stuff from the winter time. It's the dormant grass. So it's nice to get rid of that. So I was gonna get the triplex out, but I don't think I'm going to mow with the triplex this time. The triplex does not have a bagger. So I wanna use this mower to try to collect the junk, use the groomer on this machine to try to flip up some of the dead grass and get it into the hopper here or the bag and get it out of here. So over here, I'm gonna wait another week or so to mow this section. It's lacking and clearly behind because this is about a week behind on the fertilizer. It was last Saturday that I put the fertilizer on this section. It's been 2 weeks since I've done the fertilizer in this section. I'm gonna start right over here, pick something in the distance, mow, and try to get it nice and straight. So it's definitely better. The stripes are not exactly straight. They're okay, not great. And it's definitely looking better, but it needs to be cut in a second direction. So I'm gonna hit it with this Greensmaster the first round, and then I'm gonna probably come through here with the Real Master 3100D and then finish it up, burn it. Working well. I've got a whole nother basket full of clippings. I see just a little bit of itty bitty shards here of grass being cut off. Probably about the right amount that you would want to be cutting off, maybe 1/8 of an inch or so. So this is a charity mow, no doubt about that. Does it need to be mowed? I don't know, probably not. Is it a charity mow? Yeah, probably. So that's it. It worked out pretty good. It's definitely a charity mow. And that groomer just kind of grooms and lifts the turf. I like it, but it does leave a little bit to question, I guess, or doesn't leave it quite perfect, I guess is what I want to say. So I'm gonna get out this Real Master right here and run this a few times. Freshly sharpened machine. I'm just gonna clean up this section here. It looks nice, I'm happy with it, and let's get it out and see what we can do. So just made one pass right here and I literally cannot see any of the lines there. I don't know where the stripe is, so that's kind of bad. Maybe I need to come in this direction here. So it's definitely not easy to see the stripes here with the sun. I may have to come at it like this. I thought I could come at it at a diagonal. It looks so much better when it's mowed. I love a fresh cut grass. It's so awesome looking. People say, well, why do you like yard work so much? I'm just like, because it freaking looks awesome when you're done with it. It's just fantastic looking. so I finished it off. While it does look nice, I do have to say it's not ready for prime time yet. It's still too cold and it's still dormant. It does look better, but I feel like I just cut all of the green off. So everything that I worked for, all of the top growth that's green, I just cut it all off. So cutting the green off is okay, because this is going to stimulate the lawn to grow and to refresh itself and to just continue to thicken up and grow. So we are still very early on in the season here. April 17th, still very cold. It probably only got up to 40 degrees today, maybe 45. So we're still really early. This is cool season grass, and this grass does like to be cool, but not quite this cool. We're almost there. While it does look good, it's just not there yet. I will win with this lawn this year. It's going to look amazing. It's just timing. The timing isn't right currently, and I know it does feel good, but a charity mow feels just as good at times. Another few weeks and it will be looking a little bit better. But in reality, we're looking at the end of May until we're really going strong here. I know that sounds crazy, but you guys need to understand, I am up in the mountains. Of snow up here in the mountains. We still have snow on the top of that roof over there. So we are still in a holding pattern with the weather. We need more snow here, so if we can get some more, I will actually take it, as much as I hate snow. We need precipitation here. We are a dry desert state and we need water. Whoa, what's that guy doing? I see someone over there messing with horse panels over there. Looks like the neighbor's fencing off his property over there. Not wanting any scoundrels to get in there or whatever. I don't know what he's doing, but I see him moving horse panels or something over there. Hopefully my trees are starting to die over there. Somebody recommended Toradon, and that is a product that I did want to try, but I've heard that it can spread under the grass or under the earth, and it will get to other trees and kill other trees. So I just didn't want to go that route. So we will win this year, and I will be here to show you the results. I want to thank you guys for watching my videos. As always, you guys are my favorite people. I love my internet friends out there. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.